Like, subscribe, dear guys, and follow my channel. Friends, here I am going to make the image fit. There are different ratios which could be chosen for the picture: 16:9, square, portrait, story, post, cover, header, YouTube, TikTok, eBay, it's a push mark, Depop, Shopify, and that's Amazon, Facebook, LinkedIn, and there's also LinkedIn ratio. And now different colors could be chosen. That's the So dear guys, here we could see these colors which are going to be chosen for that image. I have to select that one color. Now I have to choose that LinkedIn, Facebook, Shopify, Amazon, and that's Shopify. And I have to select that